in our period or in our previous period, we see the explanation about the textbook of the chapter, right? Now today I send you the part of the workbook and the CW. Okay students, now this is the core part, and each and every student has to write properly. When the school is reopened, we go ahead, we don't again we don't repeat anything. Okay, so I request you all the students, you have to write completely. Okay, now answer in one word. Okay, answer in one word. Write the resources of the water. Now what is the meaning of the resources? Resources means the where we get the water, जहाँ जहाँ से हमको पानी मिलता है. Now think about that, where we get the resources, where we get the water. It is the obviously first one is the river, right? Okay, so here we write river, pond, lake, stream also, right? Here pond, river, lake and core of the earth. And what is the meaning of the core of the earth? What is the meaning of core of the earth? Core of the earth. That means when the rain is fall, that water should be stored in the core of the earth. क्या हो रहा है? जब बारिश होती है, आप देखो बारिश का मौसम है ना? जैसे बारिश होती है, वो पानी जो है अर्थ के अंदर धीरे 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 by so many layers are there in the earth, right? उससे थ्रू पास आउट होता है and store at the one place, and it is the core of the earth. When we take the bore or when we do the bore, then that water, store water remains come into the again in our house. Okay, clear students? Now second number, what is the color of the water from where the water begins? Now I draw the picture also, right? When the water or river begins with the hill or the mountain, right? When the river flows from the origin from the river or mountain, the color of the water is the colorless, right? It is not any color of the water. मैंने पहले भी बताया था कि वाटर का बिल्कुल कलर नहीं होता, शेप नहीं होता, राइट? उसको जिसमें मिला देते हैं उसके जैसा कलर हो जाता है. ओके, क्लियर? और जैसे जैसे ओरिजिन होती है वो क्लीन वाटर होता है और कलरलेस होती है. जैसे जैसे वो पास आउट होती है सिटीज और फैक्ट्रीज एरियाज और जो सिटी लेवल है, विलेज लेवल है, फिर धीरे धीरे पॉल्यूशन अंदर बढ़ता जाता है और उसका कलर चेंज हो जाता है. Okay, clear? When the river is the origin, the color of the water is the colorless. Okay, or you can write also it is the clean water. Okay. Third number, what kind of birds come to a river or a pond? Now when the clean water is there, so many birds and animals come to the drink the water. That what type the animals and birds come to the drink to the water? It is the crane, duck, then egret, flamingo. Okay, and it is the kingfisher also. Students, this is the answer in one word. Whatever spelling is easy for you, that and that only you have to learn one or two. Okay, it is not need to learn all the things. आंसर इन वन वर्ड में ओनली 1 and 2 आंसर आप लर्न कर सकते हैं. ओके, मैं बहुत सारा लिखा रही हूँ लेकिन आपको 1 और 2 लर्न करना है. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ 4 नंबर, फ्रॉम वेयर डज द रिवर ओरिजिनेट? अर्लियर आई एक्सप्लेन यू फ्रॉम वेयर डज द रिवर ओरिजिनेट. इट इज फ्रॉम द हिल और द माउंटेन. हिल और माउंटेन. ओके, नाउ 5 नंबर, from where does the river finally meet? Where does the river finally meet? All the rivers flowing away and at the one place all the rivers merge together and it is merged with the sea. Okay, कोई जो river है, 3 rivers है इंडिया के अंदर जो merge नहीं होती है, वो सूख जाती है. It is the Banas, Ripen and Saraswati. Right? 3 जो rivers है वो sea में merge नहीं होती, वो dry हो जाती है. Okay, then all the rivers merge into the sea. Okay, now here is the sea or ocean. Sea or ocean. Okay. Sixth number, in which ways river water is useful? Now what is the usefulness of the river water? Where we use the river water for drinking, washing clothes, for the irrigation, for the farming, right? So many ways we use the river water. Okay. Now here we write for washing, then bathing. You can write the cooking also, cleaning also. Okay, so many things we use the river water. Clear all of you? Now 7 number. Find out different way of cleaning water at home. Now find out the different ways of cleaning water at home. Now it is the nowadays very wide question because all the water is polluted. In earlier video I explained about the Yamuna and Ganga river, right? How many pollution is going on. So at home, when the pollution is there, polluted water come in our house, then how we clean it? So first method is we have to the filtering. आपको पता है filtering क्या होता है? When the water comes from the tap, we have to make the filter. We have to put out the filter and we have to pass the water through the filter and we fill the pot. आपको समझ में आ रहा है? देखो आप यहाँ टैप है, राइट? और यहाँ से पानी आ रहा है ना? तो यहाँ पे हम क्या डालते हैं? फिल्टर. ऐसा होता है ना अपने घर में नेट वाला? Okay. It is called the filter, right? The first method is the filtering method. Filtering. Okay. Then second one is the boiling. Now another one is the boiling method. Now when all the impurities in the water, it is not completely removed from the filtering method, right? Filtering method से जो बहुत सारी impurities है वो completely removed नहीं होती. Now the second process is the boiling method. When we boil the water, it is mostly completely purable water we get by the boiling method. Boiling method means we have to boil the water at the 100 degree Celsius. Okay, 100 degree Celsius से आप boiling करोगे, then it is the remove all the impurities from the water. Clear students? Okay. Now third number is the distilling. Distilling method is mostly used in the laboratory, right? कहाँ use होती है? Laboratory के अंदर use होती है. Then distilling water, it is one type of the equipment is there and it is the beaker is there and that water we have to boil and drop of the water is come down, falling down. It is the wide process. It is the very time consuming process. But in the laboratory, it is used the distilling water. Okay, students, have you understand up to here? Okay, now we see the workbook part. Look at here. I leave the page number 11 because in earlier video I told you I see the experiment in the class, right? So that page I have to leave because this is the experiment page. Okay, now page number 12, open everybody. Collect the picture of the water bodies mentioned below. Now you have to cut out all the pictures from the newspaper or anywhere you get. ओके अब उसका आपको यहाँ पे स्टिक करना है. फर्स्ट वन इज द स्ट्रीम जो झरना बहता है ना उसका पिक्चर आपको यहाँ पे स्टिक करना है. देन लेक एंड पॉन्ड एंड रिवर एंड सी, ऑल 4 पिक्चर्स यू हैव टू पेस्ट हियर. ओके, देन यू डोंट डू द प्रिंट आउट, यू सर्च इन योर न्यूज़पेपर. ओके, now what question? Choose the correct alternative from those given below each question. We have to what question we see. First number, which water flows continuously into the sea, thus keeping it filled at the all the times. Now which water is the continuously flowing? Obviously that and that only the river water. Otherwise stream and the pond, it is the store water. It is not flowing water. Okay, so option is the here. We write sea, water of the river. Okay, you do the underline and write the option in the box also, both the way you have to write. Okay, Now second number, what happens if polluted river water is drunk? If we drink the polluted water, so obviously we fall ill or we have to suffer from the disease, right? So here option is the D, and right here 1 falls sick. Okay. Now third number, what is used for farming and irrigation? Now what is useful for the farming and irrigation? Which water resources will be useful for the farming and the irrigation? It is obviously river water is the useful for the farming and the irrigation. Okay, so the option B, and write down here a river. Okay, now students, when you learn, choose the correct word. You also learn the what question, because in the examination and in the test also, I also ask the what question. So keep in mind, all the students has not only the lesson but what question you also learn. Okay, have you understand? Bye bye.